Hey guys, Minecraft Methless here again with another test video. This time recording it differently. I'm recording a separate video with my iPad. I'm going to convert it to basically like a music file and insert it that way. So let's see how it goes. Playing Forza Motorsport something or other for. They have tons of different cars. And yeah, I don't know exactly how many cars they have, but as you can see from this, it's a lot. Let's see. Just to pick a car I'm gonna go with, let's see. This is random select type of thing. Yeah, screw. So forget that one. Let's see. So what does BMW have? Nothing really good. Screw it. Let's go with this. Go to Bugatti. Yeah, let's go with red on black. Yeah, I don't feel like changing anything. Where's the one track? I think this is it. Yeah, that's the track. I like this track because it has one really long straight stretch. And you basically hit your max speed on this straight stretch. So that's why I choose it. Just gotta wait for it to load. I was gonna do a Burnout Paradise one, but apparently the disc is too scratched up to use. So I'll have to clean that disc and try again sometime. There we go. Starting in third place. Been a while since I played this game actually. Might be a bit rusty. Like it in this view. Yeah, I already left it in the dust. Here to hit the brakes, man. I hit the brakes some more. My mad driving skills. That's what this is right here. Oh no! There we go. Alright, get out of the grass. Oh, I want that straight stretch. I think the straight stretch is right around this last corner. I believe. Yep, this is it. Here we go. This is when it really gets fun. The slightest move alters everything. I'm very lightly moving the steering analog stick. I'm 7th gear right now, going 230. No sign of any of the cars behind me. I'm maxed out at 236 it looked like. another little shorter straight stretch here. And then we got a sharp, really sharp turn. I think it's safe to say I'm way in the lead, so I don't have to worry about them catching up anytime soon. I can barely see him in the lower left corner, and I can't see him at all. Next time I'll try to hit max speed. Some Bugatti I think it's like 253 miles per hour, I think. Oh no! Actually, I hit the emergency brake. Oops. Darn freaking right, darn right angle turns. I got this. I got this. Haven't even made it through one lap yet. This is a really long track. A really freaking long track. This might be one lap though. I think I'm getting close. Yeah, this is, yeah, almost one lap. Here we go. Going on to the final lap. The final lap. Now me, man. There still isn't any sign of any of the other racers behind me right now. The 16 seconds behind me. I have 16 seconds of error time to correct myself if I mess up. If I spin out or something. I have 16 seconds before I lose my position. Essentially, for those of you who didn't know. And here we go to the straight stretch. See if I can max out. Probably not, but let's see. Oh, I'm losing it. Oh, there we go. Got it. Now he's 18 seconds behind me. Oh, we're getting close. First person. I'm telling you, the slightest move on the analog stick is greatly affecting the steering of my car. Okay, so I didn't manage to max it out that time. It's the last lap, so. And that green strip in the middle is basically your ideal place to drive. And green is like keep your speed or speed up, and if it changes to like red and that kind of stuff means you have to slow down essentially. It's recommended. You don't have to drive where it is, but it's just a recommended thing for you. So like right there it's red, so I have to slow down. Recommend slow down, make the turn easier. I'm hoping this new recording technique works. Although it will take more work, but just as long as I can get it to work, and I can do like let's plays and that kind of stuff. To have a few games in mind doing a let's play with. If one of them is probably going to be The Reckoning, Diablo 3, Dragon Ball Z Battle of Z is definitely going to be one of them. And possibly a Naruto game. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, then I'm pretty much out of options and using this game capture box that I bought. And then I basically bought it for nothing. So let's hope this way. I hope this way works. And here's the race. So thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you want me to do some let's plays. If you have any game recommendations for me doing let's plays for, make sure to leave those in the comments. Like this video for more, subscribe, hit that freaking red button next to my name with that clicker of yours really hard if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. See ya.